Bohol, sun, where wonders unfold. Green hills rise, a story untold. Rolling shapes, a sweet surprise, nature's marvel under clear blue skies. Chocolate hills, oh how they shine, a treasure carved by the hands of time. Every peak, every slope so fine, in this paradise I'll make it mine. Legends whisper of giants at play, leaving footprints that forever stay. Seasons change, their hues transform, a masterpiece in its natural form. Step by step I climb the view, 1,000 hills, a dream come true. Feel the breeze, the world's embrace. Chocolate Hills, a timeless place. Under the sun they proudly stand, a marvel born from nature's hand. Chocolate Hills, forever you'll be a gift of beauty for all to see. Legends whisper of giants at play, leaving footprints that forever stay. Seasons change, their hues transform, a masterpiece in its natural form. Step by step I climb the view, 1,000 hills, a dream come true. Feel the breeze, the world's embrace. Chocolate Hills, a timeless place. Under the sun they proudly stand, a marvel born from nature's hand. Chocolate Hills, forever you'll be a gift of beauty for all to see.